Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we'll be continuing with our chapter 3 of Organization of Commerce and Management, that is Entrepreneurship Development. Now before we start, let's take a brief look which we have done earlier, that is the meaning of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. The entrepreneur plays a very important role in the development of any country. They are the backbone of a nation's progress. They are the innovators, owners, producers, and moreover, the risk takers. So we can say that an entrepreneur is a person who makes money or profit by starting a particular business, completing various activities, and also bearing the financial risk. When we talk about an entrepreneurship, it is seen that it is often used synonymously with entrepreneur. Though they are the two sides of a coin, conceptually they are different. The entrepreneur is a business leader and entrepreneurship is the function performed by him. It's the capacity and willingness to develop, organize and manage business and also an ability to bear risk. When we talk about entrepreneurship in economics, it forms to be a most important factor of production out of four, that is land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. It maintains a relationship between all to produce profits. So now today we'll be seeing the qualities of a successful entrepreneur. Number one is discipline. Successful people have many qualities. The most important one is discipline. It helps the entrepreneur to focus on business work and eliminate the elements that distracts the goals. It helps to achieve the objectives of business. An entrepreneur has various outline strategies which are accomplished with proper discipline. The next quality of a successful entrepreneur is confidence. An entrepreneur should be confident enough to face all new challenges without any pros and cons in his mind. He is confident that he can succeed with his knowledge. The confidence reflects in every work done by him. The next quality is open-minded. An entrepreneur treats every situation as business opportunity. There is continuous flow of ideas about workflows and efficiency. He has the ability to look at everything around him and reaches his goals easily. The next quality of being a successful entrepreneur is self-starter. Entrepreneur believes in himself. He knows that everything starts from him. He sets the parameters and makes sure that all follow the path. He is proactive, which means he keeps on moving continuously without prior permission from anyone. The next point is competitive. Every successful business is an outcome of the good qualities of an entrepreneur who is competitive. That means who is ready to face the challenges. An entrepreneur always wins the game and keeps his business in highlight by tracking its record at heights. The next point which we come across is creativity. Creativity means to create something new with skills and imaginations. Creative ideas of an entrepreneur help him to find solution to various problems. The next quality of a successful entrepreneur is determination. An entrepreneur treats every defeat as an opportunity for success. He is determined that nothing can stop him to reach his goals. He has the ability to explore opportunities for the benefit of business. He believes that everything is possible when the mind is set and determined to do it. The next quality of being a successful entrepreneur is strong communication skills. Entrepreneur possesses strong communication skills through which he motivates his employees and sells his products to the prospective buyers. His motivation powers helps in overall development of business. He trains all the people in his context for the benefits of all situations. The next quality of a successful entrepreneur is strong work ethics. An entrepreneur is a perfect example for others. He is the first person to be present on duty and the last to leave for home. He works hard to help the outcome meet his expectations. His mind is always working, whether he is on duty or at home. The last quality of being a successful entrepreneur is passion. A successful entrepreneur has passion, that is, love and dedication for his work. He keeps on working tediously to achieve his goals. His continuous researches helps him to explore new paths of production. He gets satisfaction of hard work which is beyond money. He works on tirelessly to find better ways for his business. So students, with this we come to an end with our today's unit. Thank you.